guys, hello, welcome back to a new video. And today we're going to play something very important. It's a game like this.
Okay, so come here. I'm gonna tell you a question.
Wait. Let me tell the details first, okay? So today we are gonna be playing the game called Squid Game Infinity RP Roleplay City Update.
This is
And
me.
shout out to this guy Ryan Blaze right here, cause he made this game and it was really good. So
Shout out to you, my friend.
okay, so we're gonna play right now today. Come on, let's do this.
So this is me. I'm the guard.
Oh, you're the guard?
Yeah.
Kill me.
I can't because you're in the safe zone.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the facility so you can kill me.
Okay.
Oh, I have an imaginary gun. Wow. Okay.
Come on, let's go in here. Let's go in here. Follow me.
Okay. Wow, this place is cool, I guess. Master staircase.
Want to go to the fireman's office?
I don't know.
Let's go to the VIP
I'm
lodge.
gonna take a picture.
Wake up. Let's go to the VIP lodge.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna bring you some foods in there, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring you some food in what?
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going there. Alright.
I'll get some.
So where's the master staircase? Master staircase. No.
It's over here. It's over here.
Yeah. I'm lagging right now, so that's just.
Okay,
Okay,
now
so
let's go to the
we're
stuff
going
kitchen.
Shit. I thought we were going to the foreman's office.
That's not man's office.
Okay, I'm gonna move out here, okay? First of all, we're gonna move to the first level, okay? So we're...
Want some eggs and
Kill
soup?
me!
Want some?
The mastermind! The mastermind killed me, guys!
Quick up, come here. Quick up, come here. Quick up.
I know, just wait!
Then get some food. Got some foods.
Alright, so we're gonna go into the master staircase lobby. Oh my gosh, I hate this so much. I promise.
Oh, this is the VIP lodge.
So, first of all, what is the first game? Let's find the first game, guys. The first game. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Hello, Bacon.
Okay, I'm coming there.
Okay, so first of all, clear sleeping quarters. Okay. So, we're going to the tug of war first, okay? Guys, we're going to the tug of war first. Let's see what's on the tug of war. Wow, okay, we're gonna go to the top and let's see if we can reach the people over there. Is there any people over there? Let's send. So we're gonna move to the top. So how do we do this? How are we supposed to do this?
Okay, so I got to the tug of war.
Okay, go to the other side. Are you the soldier?
Yeah.
Why are you the soldier? You're supposed to be the player.
Want to go? I'm gonna go this way. To the left way. Okay.
Okay. I see him right there, guys. He's going up. Oh, he's right there. Yup.
Okay, wait.
Call this one.
I'm gonna get.
Kinain ko.
Uh,
Masarap siya. Wala man siya lasa.
Come on, let's go.
Pero nung lang siya.
Let's go.
Kain.
Ah.
Tingnan mo agad yung pangalan. Baka pa. Alam mo, agad ka.
I'm winning.
I'm taking a video right now.
I'm winning.
Okay, alright. We start right here. Okay. 2 and go.
No.
Nah. Oh no. No. I'm pulling you. Why game, guys. Next game. What's the next game? Okay. Okay. Daniel. Be a player.
Huh?
Be a player. Welcome to Squid Game. Wow, you're the Squid Game card? Wow, you guys. Okay, where's Daniel?
I'm here.
Come on.
Faster! They're be fasting.
Come on. There. No, please open.
I got a
so
gun.
We're going to go to the restroom because we need to
I
pee right
got
now.
a gun. I got a gun.
It's not imaginary, it's not a real gun.
Oh, I found him. I'm gonna go skip.
Oh, is this where the girl, like did the thing?
Yeah. We're here. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna drink some cola.
Sauce. Okay, so first of all, let's get to the next game. I wonder what the next game is.
Go
Maybe
here.
it's gonna be red light, green light. We don't know. We're gonna do it. So we're gonna go to the master staircase lobby.
Ito ka
Then
ba
we're gonna go
nililitaan
up.
yung Sabado? Paano daw nililitaan kami? May sleepover lang kami? Sleepover ka na ginagawa ko ng anak ko. Ay sinabi ko,
Wow, let's go
sleepover
here.
kayo kila Kenneth. Ako kasi bago yung bahay nila para mabinyagan
Red light, green light, guys. Red light, green light. Yo, no way, guys. No way. Okay. Oh no. We need another player, guys. We need another player. One more player, guys. Please, one more player. So
We need 4 players.
yeah, no, we need one more player so we can have 4. Guys, we need to go. I need to go right now. Okay. You know what? We're just gonna go.
Teleport to end. We can teleport to end quick up.
If you're not a player, then you can. But you're not a player. So. Okay. So first. Okay. Next.
I wonder what the next game is. Can't go there because I'm there.
Okay. So we're gonna exit and go to the next game.
Tug of war, nah.
No.
We already got that.
You know what the next game is?
What?
The next game is gonna be Squid Honeycomb. It was just kidding, guys. Earlier was the fake one. This one's the real one. We're gonna play the Honeycomb game. Okay, I love this game basically because this game is just so like good. Like I don't know why. I mean, look at the playgrounds. The crowds. Makes you sleep.
I'm gonna get this.
Okay, I'm gonna get the no. Okay, I'm gonna get the
Yeah, you got it. I got it.
nice. I'm gonna get a start.
Let's go. I got it.
Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna try to do the star cookie, guys. As you can see, the star cookie right here. I'm gonna try to break the star cookie, okay?
I ate all of my cookies.
Okay, I'm trying to make the star cookie. Oh. Whoa! Right! We did it,
I
guys.
ate it too.
We really did it.
Yeah.
We got
Let's
it.
go to
Nagpapa muna ba kayo? Tsaka ano?
Yes. Yes. Let's go to the slide. Whee! Okay, let's get off here.
Okay, so what is the next one?
Squid Game.
You guys think we're not gonna do Squid Game because that's the end. We are gonna do the red lights marbles. So here is the marbles, guys, as you can see.
Oh,
It
we
is
gotta collect the
so
marbles.
cool. So we need to find the marbles. So
Got 'em.
where do we need to collect the marbles, guys? Oh, I saw another marble right here.
Marble.
How do we get a marble?
Huh?
How do we get a marble?
Don't worry, I got a flashlight.
Flashlight. Wow, okay. I think I have it too. But okay, where is
Do
it?
you have a flashlight?
Yeah. No.
No. Oh, only guards can do it.
You're not a guard though.
But marble. No.
I didn't get this marble.
I think this marble is a secret marble. If you go in there. Oh, this is the high marble ever. Highest marble ever. How can we
Okay,
find that?
let's skip this. Okay. Guys, we skip this because
It's too hard.
we don't know where to find the marbles, and I never watched Squid Game, so I watched I watched it, but I just forgot half of it, like
Yeah, let's go.
most of it. So okay, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna go back there.
Let's go back.
Okay. Then we're going to. Okay, guess what? Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Can you guys guess what it is? Okay. It's going to be Squid glass platforms. I'll just kill you guys again. Do you guys go for that? Let me know. Okay, so basically, I've heard a technique here to use. So
Okay, I'm
you
just
can
gonna
win.
watch you. I'm gonna skip this. I'm just gonna watch you.
Okay, so we're gonna do this, and guys, I have a technique on how to do this. So basically, you just do this, and then check if where's the more darker one, this one or this one. So
So
I feel like this
should
is
I
this darker
turn off
one.
the lights?
So I go here.
Should I turn off the lights?
Yeah. No. So as you can see, right? Yeah. Okay, the next one is right here. Okay, the next one is right here. The next one is right here. Okay. Next one is right here also. The next one is right here. Oh my gosh, we're actually doing it, guys. Yeah, the next one is right here. Oh yeah, the next one is right here. Oh my gosh. The next one is right here. Guys, we really did it! We didn't fall. We didn't do even one mistake.
No, I
And we
died.
actually won the glass platform. No way! There's no way. This manager M1OIF. This Knuckles? What are you doing? Why are you the manager? You're not supposed
Okay,
to be
hi.
here. You're supposed to be
Where are
doing
you?
good. It's not
Oh,
fair.
you're there.
Our manager is Knuckles. That means he's fast and he's strong. For Squid, like the player, that guy right there is trying to kill me. Well, I can move to the start, and I am here. Okay, so I can reset platform.
Okay, hi. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of
Okay,
here.
I'm just gonna reset platforms because
I
so
already,
they can
I
know.
already reset platform.
Oof. Okay, so where are we gonna go next?
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Where are you?
Okay, let's get ammos.
Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
I'm on. Okay, you're close to me.
Okay.
On the Squid Game.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the sleeping quarters. Just kidding. We're gonna go to Squid Game, guys. We're gonna fight you and him. I forgot. You guys didn't meet my brother yet, so this is my brother. This is his face. Did you actually? Okay. So here's his face. Okay, so we're gonna go to Squid Game, and we are gonna fight. Okay, so get out of there. Under you.
Under me.
Yeah. See it? Did you see it? Under this, look, under here. Okay? So we're gonna wait for my brother until he goes here. Oh, who are you? Oh, I saw you. You're under me. Go top. You're here, see? So go to the top. Go more to the top. Chop.
Is it here? Okay, so
Okay, go to the Squid Game.
I'm gonna fight you.
Oh, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna kill you first. How dare you? Don't you dare kill me. I do not. No way, guys. No way. I'm gonna kill you guys.